Alright, we're gonna go to Frank and Sons before Christmas Day and see what we can find out here. A lot of people already, so we're gonna see what we can find. There's a ferret right there. Snow cat. Oh, striker. Many things. A lot of the stuff that I do want is actually in the other stores. Oh, really? Yeah. We're coming here to Frank and Son. Today is a good day to do it because they are having like 30% off on things. You know, just for sale for Christmas Day. Old Voltron right there. I got a new one, but I don't really like it very much. I like the classic one. This is the Frank and Sons. Alright, so my son's in town, so we decided to go to Frank and Sons here in the City of Industry. And if you don't know what Frank and Sons Collectible is about, I feel bad for you. You guys need to go to it. It's pretty cool. I'm going to show you guys what I ended up buying at Frank and Sons. First off, this is my first Action Force, and it had to be Sergeant Slaughter, so this is pretty cool. Second one is the retro card, Deadpool. Here it is right here. It's pretty cool. The retro card Deadpool, like that. I got the movie version, but this is like the comic book version that I want to unbox. And I got the X-Men Sabretooth. I've been on a Wolverine movie kick, so I figured, let me buy Sabretooth. I got it for 15 bucks. I don't know if that's a good price. I think it's a good price, decent price compared to the prices of other figures at Frank and Sons, but 15 bucks. It's the Build-A-Figure. I think that's the only person I have. I have Magneto, Sabretooth. That's it. I think it would be hard to collect all these figures now, so, but yeah, I got Sabretooth. The last thing I got from Frank and Sons, and I almost missed out on it, because you gotta have a good eye when you go to this store. You gotta look up and down all over the place. And I found this. These are hard to get for a decent price. I don't know if it was a decent price that I bought it for, but it was less than 100 bucks. But you know, when you check on eBay, I think it's more than 100 bucks, I think. But I got a Wild Bill. I don't have the Dragonfly, but I have a Wild Bill. So I can't wait to open this one. And that's it. That is all the haul that I got. This was 2 days before Christmas. Wait, no, 3 days before Christmas that I got these things. So yeah, that's my real quick video of my Frank and Sons Collectibles haul.